How to make your TikTok account public. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make your TikTok account public. So first of all, let's go to our TikTok app. And now once you've opened the app, simply go to the profile on the bottom right corner of your screen. And now tap on the three lines which is on the top right corner of your screen, and then go to settings and privacy. Now tap the second option under account, namely privacy, and there you'll see an option private account. So once you untoggle this bar and then confirm by tapping switch, your account will be switched from a private account to public account, and that is basically how you make your TikTok account public. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.